we're making oatmeal muffins, and I'm excited because these are amazing because there's no sugar in them, no added sugar in them, and the kids love them. They're full of fibre and full of nutrients, and they're easy to make, and Momo's going to lead it. Are you going to lead it? Mm-hmm. What are you going to put in here? All the dry ingredients? Can you tell them what you're putting in first?
Oats.
Oats, okay. So we got the oats, oat flour. Oat flour, and we have a little bit of baking soda and baking powder, and we've got some cinnamon. And we're going to put all the dry ingredients in one little bowl, and we're going to mix it around.
I'm going to mix it.
Yeah. Mix until it's all mixed through. Okay, and then we've got the wet ingredients. So we've got mashed banana. Mashed banana. Should we put that in there? I put it in? Okay, so you mix that through. And we've got apple, which is just grated apple.
Gooey.
It is a little bit gooey. And we have a little bit of nut milk. So I've used soy milk, I think, for this one.
That one.
And that will help it give it some moisture. So can you mix it through now? And I'm going to put the vanilla essence in there.
That's getting gooey.
It is getting gooey. Maybe I should help you a little bit, hey? Now, if you like, and this is what's really going to sweeten it, is I add some sultanas and I add some nuts, some crushed walnuts, as you can see there. Can you put some of that in and we'll mix it through quickly? Because we've got to put it in the oven. We put the oven onto 175 because you don't want to burn. These burn really easy for some reason. Now, what I've learnt with this is you need just a big spoonful, like a tablespoonful. And this will make about 6, this actual recipe. All right. Now, we're going to put these in the oven and we'll see you in a minute to show you, not in a minute, in 20 minutes, to show you what they look like. So they were cooking for 20 to 25 minutes in the oven. So we got our oatmeal muffins. They're ready to go. Now, just letting you know, when you bring them out of the oven, you just got to let them sit for a little bit. Once time goes by, the oats will absorb all the moisture, so don't be worried. But as soon as they start looking this colour, like brownish, then you just take them out of the oven and let them sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, so I'll give you one to try. Here's one for you guys to try. So these are our oatmeal muffins. They are awesome. Look at that beautiful fruit inside. We've got the apples and the banana. Do you want to whisper? Yes, you can. Okay, so I'll put them there. Do you want to try one now, Momo, or do you want to try it after?
I'll try a whole one.
Yes, you can. We'll see you next time. We're going to eat these muffins because they look amazing. Do you want to say bye?
Bye.
See you next time. Say see you next time.
See you next time.